Feelings can't be expressed easily, but words have the power of expression. I want to write to you about my feelings. Where should I start from? I don't know. Since the time you came in my life, my world completely changed. I felt like I am not the same again, was always lost in your thought. I think that's the magic of your love. Your love is so pure and true that it occupies my thought. I might not be with you the whole day, but you are with me in my heart. Baby, I swear that I love you more than yesterday. Baby, it's true, I love you. I believe in the word love and the reason is you. I believe in the word love, where everything seems new. Can't think of a moment without you now. I don't know why this happened and how. But I love you more than me. Baby, come in my life and make me crazy. There has not been a moment when I haven't thought about you. You don't know how much I miss you. Missing you more, I love you more. My love for you is growing with time. Baby, I am so happy that you are mine, and this shall be forever and ever. It started as a cute friendship, but over the time, I have realized that I truly love you. Yes, my dear, it's true. I truly love you. We are meant to be together, cause we are soulmates. I don't speak a word, but you know what I wanna say. When I am sad, you know that I need your company. You know me more than me. I think we make a perfect couple. We are meant to be together, my love. Best friends make the best life partners. I am sure we will also make the best. I just want to tell you that I will love you till the end of time. Love can never be planned in life. It just happens without reason. I had not planned anything in life, but it just happened. And it happened because of you. And it happened with you. Yes, my sweetheart, you heard that right. I truly love you, and I want you to know that I will never leave your side or will hide. Love you. So many meanings of love, but the emotion is truly strong. It's to me that you belong, and I feel proud of the same. If love is like a game, then I did play my turn, because I lost my heart to a pretty girl like you. Baby, I just want to confess it to you that I truly and hopelessly love you. Hey, it's true. If you understand my language of love, you would also understand my emotions and feelings. I love you and will love you till the end of time. You mean the world to me. It's everywhere that you I can see. My princess, be as you are, simple and wise. Your love gives me the power to suffice. I love you.